How long should I leave cooking olive oil on my hair?
Hey there! Welcome to our video on using cooking olive oil for hair care. In this video, we'll discuss how long you should leave cooking olive oil on your hair to reap its benefits. So, let's dive right in.
Benefits of cooking olive oil for hair.
Before we talk about the duration, let's quickly highlight some of the benefits of using cooking olive oil on your hair. Olive oil is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help nourish and moisturize your hair. It can also improve hair strength, reduce frizz, and promote a healthy scalp.
Preparing your hair and applying the oil.
To make the most of olive oil for your hair, it's important to prepare your hair and apply the oil properly. Start by dampening your hair with warm water. This helps open up the hair cuticles and allows the oil to penetrate more effectively. Next, take a small amount of cooking olive oil and warm it up. You can do this by placing the oil in a heat-safe container and immersing it in warm water. Avoid overheating the oil, as it may damage your hair. Once the oil is warmed up, apply it to your hair. Begin at the roots and work your way down to the ends, ensuring even coverage. Massage the oil into your scalp gently to stimulate blood flow.
Duration to leave cooking olive oil on your hair.
Now, let's get to the main question. How long should you leave cooking olive oil on your hair? The ideal duration for leaving olive oil on your hair varies depending on your hair type and the level of hydration you desire. For a quick pre-shampoo treatment, you can leave the oil on your hair for 30 minutes to an hour. This allows the oil to deeply nourish your hair before cleansing. If you're looking for a more intensive overnight treatment, you can apply olive oil to your hair before going to bed and leave it on overnight. Just make sure to protect your pillowcase with a towel or a shower cap to avoid staining.
Washing out the oil in aftercare.
Once the desired duration has passed, it's time to wash out the olive oil from your hair. Start by thoroughly rinsing your hair with warm water. Then, use a gentle shampoo to cleanse your hair and remove any residual oil. Follow up with a conditioner to ensure your hair stays moisturized. After washing out the oil, you can style your hair as usual. It's important to note that while olive oil is generally safe to use on hair, excessive use or leaving it on for too long can make your hair look greasy. Therefore, it's advisable to find the right balance for your hair type and needs. There you have it. The duration for leaving cooking olive oil on your hair depends on the level of hydration you desire. For a quick pre-shampoo treatment, leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour. If you prefer a more intensive treatment, leave it on overnight. Just remember to wash it out thoroughly and find the right balance for your hair type. We hope this video has been helpful in answering your question. If you have any more queries, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.